Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there lived a clever fox named Ronnie. She was known far and wide for her intelligence and quick thinking. One sunny morning, Ronnie was walking through the forest, looking for something to eat. She hadn't eaten in 2 days, and her stomach growled loudly. As she walked, she came across a big, fat crow sitting on a tree branch. The crow had a piece of cheese in its beak. Ronnie's mouth watered just at the sight of it. She wanted that cheese very badly, but she knew she would have to be smart to get it.
Oh dear Crow, you are the most beautiful bird I have ever seen. Your feathers shine like the moon, and I'm sure your voice is as lovely as a nightingale's.
The crow felt proud. No one had ever praised him like that before.
Would you please sing me a song so I can hear your beautiful voice?
The foolish crow, thrilled with the praise, opened his beak to sing. And down fell the piece of cheese. Quick as lightning, Ronnie caught the cheese in her mouth and ran away laughing.
Thank you, Mr. Crow. Next time, don't let flattery make you lose your lunch.